Watch out.
God,
Look!
what's it doing?
I don't know what it's doing. It's being a bird.
Hello? What's happening?
Okay, I don't know if it's fake or real.
Is it having a baby?
I have no clue.
Get ground.
I feel like it's gonna attack me, to be totally honest.
That thing won't attack.
It's an angry bird.
It won't attack.
It's very angry.
Ground, come down here real quick.
Oh my.
I gotta show you something. Hurry up, it's gonna fly away.
I think it's derping, if you ask me. It has its poker face on.
What's up with this bird? It's not moving.
Hey, it moved its head.
It's not moving at all.
Come on, Doctor. She looks sick. Don't touch him, it could have a disease.
Someday it will.
Is it dead?
I don't know. It has its poker face on. It moved its head, so it's not dead.
Move, please. Excuse me. No one touches to get in here. Where'd he come from, Michael?
I don't know. I just saw him here.
Did he fall?
I have no
I've
clue.
never seen a bird break its wing and just...
Something's matter with him.
Oh, it just moved a little bit.
Yeah, something's matter with his wings.
Wait, help him fly.
Come on
What, am I supposed to shoot it off a slingshot?
Yeah.
It's a battery.
I think it's dead though.
It has its poker face.
Let's just stay away. I knew it ate that.
Yes, he's got broken wings. Watch the
I just
birds
don't get why he
over
didn't move
there.
it at all though.
Can't go there, there's a bird.
Ew.
How long is your video going on?
2 minutes.
He'll die.
How dare you insult the
Yeah,
angry
keep him
bird?
alive. You gotta pick him up.
Right?